Everyone, and welcome to the new video. In this video we're gonna show you how to install the FortiManager from the Azure 2, and also we're gonna resolve famous issue maybe you will face it on this. You cannot browse to FortiManager, so we're gonna troubleshoot it together. Okay, so first of all you need to access to CLI mode from the Fortinet, from the Super PuTTY, or from the VM or Secure CRT. So right now I am in the PNET. First of all, I need to type Azure 2 search about the Fortinet. Okay, let's check. Yes, here you have multiple images. For our case, we're gonna focus on the FortiManager. As you can see here, you have multiple version of the FortiManager. I need to choose one. I will choose 7.0.8. okay, then the ID is 402, as you can see. Now let's search Azure 2 pool QEMU. Okay, and the ID is 402. It's 402. Let's double check. Yes. Okay, great. Now it's starting for download, as you can see here, the loading bar. Okay, great. Right now the FortiManager already installed, and also the good thing here is fixed permission command has been executed correctly, so we don't need to go to fix the permission. Okay, just you need to refresh here, and let's see the node. You have the node here, the Fortinet, and here you have the Fortinet FortiManager version 7.0.8. okay, so now what you gonna do? Yes, I will save this, and yes, I will choose the network bridge. Let's try with management. Okay, yes, save and run the Fortinet or the FortiManager. Now let's access from Secure CRT if everything is working correctly. So right now I am in the FortiManager, so the login will be admin, and for the password nothing, you just press enter. Okay, right now we asked you about the new password. Yes, let's give a new password. Okay, yes, right now we are in the FortiManager. Let's check, for example, show system interface. Okay, yes, we have here in the edit ports, port 192.168.99. okay, the allow access with HTTPS and SSH. Okay, so right now I need to change the IP address. Why? I need it for this range. Okay, for this range to make sure you are able to access to, or you are able to browse to this FortiManager. Sorry. Okay, that's good. So to change the IP, just go to config system interface, then edit port 1. Okay, and here you can see can type show, so you will see what is the configuration under this this interface. Okay, great. I will change the IP, set IP 192.168.174. I will give 150/24, and also I need to allow access to HTTP, HTTPS, HTTP, SSH, and the ping. Okay, that's great. Nice. Okay, let's try now. And okay, let's try now to the CMD, and if this FortiManager is reachable or not. 174.150. Let's see if the ping is working or not. Okay, so right now the ping is working. So right now let's move to try to access to the FortiManager 192.168.174.150. Yes, as you can see, this issue you will be faced. Okay, so yeah, I suffered with this problem. So right now I will give you the solution directly. So first of all, what you will need to do, you need to access to the port again. Let's system or configure system interface, edit port 1, and here let's do the show. Just you need to to set allow access, okay, and add the web service, okay, right now. And okay, that's great. Let's look to the ping is still working. Let's try again the same, refresh. Okay, the same issue. So what is the problem? Right now what you gonna do, you need to go to the firewall. Okay, let's stop the firewall. Okay, then go to the edit, and here you need to increase the RAM. So right now I will increase the RAM to 3024. Okay, and let's see if with the RAM is working or not when we increase the RAM. Let's see, let's access again. As you can see here, we have still the problem. Right now he said the failure in run and the error cannot allocate the memory. What we gonna do, let's stop it again, and also we need to to increase the CPU. For example, I will use 4, okay, and here let's increase it to 4 here also, 4024. Okay, great. Then let's check if sorry, yes, edit, yeah, 4, yeah. So just make sure this is CPU limit is not checked. Okay, save, then run it again. Let's see right now if start or not. Okay, double click. Right now is connected. As you can see, it's connected right now. Let's access admin with my password. Okay, so right now is on already. Let's check show system interface. Okay, yes, web service. Let's try the ping again from CMD to make sure is reachable. 150. Okay, 150. Yes, let's see. Yes, that's good. So right now let's check if right now is reachable or not. If you try to do 192.150, yes, that's great. Right now is accessible. Okay, as you can see here, we have not found the URL. What you gonna do, you go to new cognito. Okay, then type 192.150. okay, good. And here, yes, right now you are in the FortiManager. So this is the steps how to install the FortiManager from the A Share 2. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.